Well, I've got to move this out today, so I figured I'll do a cold start video of it just to show how it starts. I can't really put the choke on because the choke cable's broken in the dash and it's all flapping around. So it does start fairly easy without choke, but it is pretty cold tonight. So yeah, we'll see. The only thing that really worries me is that strange squealy noise it's got coming from, I'd say it could be coming from something like the rear main area. It could even be a rear main seal. It runs like a double lip neoprene spring assisted seal. If it's gone dry, that could be the noise, but I'm really guessing there. But a rotary expert might be able to tell me if that's something else, because I am not a rotary expert, so I don't deal with these all the time, so I cannot call myself an expert. But yeah, so we'll just see what happens. I'm at the point where, well, either I pull the engine out and send it off to get it rebuilt, or run it and see if that noise is actually detrimental, or if it goes away. So I've kind of got to that point with this at the moment. But we'll see how it goes, I guess. Next step is get a temporary rego and drive it, and see what kind of horrible things happen. Come on. Pump a bit. There. That's just the charge light. Got to bring the revs up a bit more to get that off. I try not to rev the little thing until it warms up some. That's pretty much dead cold. No blue smoke at all. God, I hate rotaries. They're like two-strokes. So bloody loud when you're trying to be quiet. Okay, gonna clear its throat a bit. Put it into reverse. Okay. Maybe it's a bit cold for that. Oh, come on. Be a good little car. Put it in reverse. There we go. And go backwards. Yay. Going backwards. Alright, let's put it into first. There we go. Yeah, one side of headlights work. High beam only. Cool. A few weird little noises coming out of that rotary. Don't know if you can hear it. Almost sounds like that squeal, but just a different pitch. I don't think I've revved this thing over like 3,500 yet. Oh well. Strange noises. Look forward to driving it.